students, how are you all? I hope you have completed the exercises given in the previous videos. Okay, so in the first video I explained you how to divide any number by one digit number and the number divided by 10, 100 and 1000. Then properties of the division: when any number is divided by 0 and it is not possible, then any number is divided by 1, answer is number itself. Any number divided by number itself, answer is 1, and 0 divided by any number is 0. So I hope you have done the practice of all these properties and all these exercises. So now we are moving to the division by 2-digit number. Okay, so we are going to start with the 1755 divided by 27. Clear, children? So let's move. We have to do by the long division method. So we will start like this: 1755 divided by 27. Clear to you? Now we don't know the table of 27. In this case, what we will do? So first we will read the table of 2, and then we will make, before we will start, we will make a rough column. Okay. And since we are not knowing the table of 27, so we will use the method which is called try and hit method. Means from the different number we will try it and see which number it is divisible, and that number we will hit on the division process. So this is called try and hit method. So we are going to start now. 27, we are not knowing the table of 27, so we will read the table of 2 till the time we will get the number less than 17. So it is not possible to, 1 is not divisible by 2, so we will take 2 digits, 17. Now 2 6 ja 12. Now 2 7 ja 14 and 2 8 ja 16. Let's see if 27 multiplied by 8, 7 8 ja 56, 8 2 ja 16 and 5 21. It is 216, which is more than 175. So let's try for the 7 times multiplied by 7. 7 7 ja 49, carry 4. 7 2 ja 14 and 4 189. This is also not possible because 189 is greater than 175. So what we will do? We will try it for one more less than this. 27 multiplied by 6. 6 7 ja 42 and 6 2 ja 12 and 4 16. Now 162 is less than 175. So what I said to you, this is called try and hit method. I tried by 3 different number, and which number is exactly applicable? 27 6 ja 162. So we will go for 6 times 162. Now we will subtract it as we are doing. 5 minus 2, it is 3. 7 minus 6, it is 1. Now 132, we will bring this number down 5. Now we already seen that with the higher number, so shall we go for the less than this? So I am just trying it. 27 multiplied by 5, because already 6, 7, 8 I applied, which is more than 135. So I am going one less than this. So 27 into 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10 and 3 13. So it is 5 times 135. This is minus and it is 0. Clear to you? So if you are not knowing the table, you don't have to worry. You have to just look for this first number, multiply this for, take the table of this 2 and read it as many times these two numbers are divisible. So it is divisible. 2 8 is 16. I tried for 8 times, but it is coming more than this. So I will go one less than that. And similarly, I applied it till the number I have get which is divisible by this. This is clear to you? Shall we give you some question to do it? Okay, now moving to the second question. 4320 divided by 18. I told you to learn the table till 20, and if you have learned it, usually you can do this question. So just move for this. 4320 divided by 18. Now we will read the table of 18 till the time we will get the number either equal to or less than 43. So we will read the table of 18. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54. So 3 times it is coming 54, which is not possible. So we will go for 2 times. 18 2 ja 36 minus 43 minus 36 is equal to 7. Bring this number down to 18 4 ja 72. So we will go for 4 times minus, it is 0. Then bring this number down 0. And when we are bringing this number down 0, 18 zeros are 0. So it is, answer is 240. This is clear to you? So now this question you have to solve by your own. 495 divided by 17. Okay, now we are switching to the word problem. Let's come to the word problem. Rajan has rupees 639. He buys books at rupees 35 each. How many books can he buy and how much money will be left? As I told you, in case of multiplication, 1 is given and many is asking. We have to multiply. Here many is given and there we have to buy the 1. Means we have to find out the cost. What is the minimum? How many books will be bought? So cost, total cost is given and cost of one item is given. Okay, we will find out how many books is there. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to divide. So first we will find out Rajan has, so total amount Rajan has, is equal to rupees 639. Okay, then cost of one book is equal to rupees 35. Now number of books, in this case we will write down number of books is equal to rupees 639 divided by 35. Okay, now here is no space, so I am doing it this place, the division part. Okay, 639 divided by 35. As I told you, if you don't know the table, you have to go for the hit and trial method. Here it is 6, 3 2 ja 6. It means 2 times it is possible. But when we will multiply 35 into 2, we will get 70, which is more than 63. So we will go 1 times. So it is 35 1 ja 35 minus, it is 8. This is 5 minus 3. It is 2. This 9 will come down to 89. Now 35 table, if you are not knowing, you have to go for the next. So 3 7 ja 20, 21, 3 4 ja 20, sorry, 3 9 ja 27. Okay, so 9 times it will be go, then it will come more than 289. So I will go for 8 times. 8 5 ja 8. So as I told, 35, if I will take 3 9 ja 27 and 35 multiplied by 9 will come more than this 28. So I am going less than this. I am going for 8 times. So 8 5 ja 35. Sorry, 8 5 ja 40. Carry 4. 8 3 ja 24 and 4 28 minus 9. So answer is total, whatever the quotient, that is the number of books, and what is the remainder, that is the amount left. So total 18 books he can buy, or we can write down he can buy 18 books and rupees 9 is left with him. Okay, you can write total 18 books he can buy, or you can write down he can buy 18 books. Is it clear to you? Now this is all about this problem. Now solve the next question by your own. Okay, now switching to the second question. 300 students are arranged into 12 groups. How many students will be there in one group? You are able to do by your own? Shall I explain you? Okay, fine. Many are given. 300 students are arranged into the 12 group. Many. And they are asking for the 1. So many is given, 1 is asking, we have to divide. Okay. So we will write down number of students. Sorry, total number of students. Is equal to 300. Number of groups is equal to 12. So number of students in each group is equal to 300 divided by 12. Okay, so same thing we are going to do. We will again start it from here, this place. Okay, now 300 divided by 12. You know the table of 12. So we will go it for 12 to the 24 minus 30 minus 24 is 6. This 0 will come down. 12 5s the 60. You have seen, children, if you are knowing the table, how easy it is to do. You don't have to go for the another number, different number. Simply you will read the table and you can find out the answer. So 12 2s are 24 and 12 5s are 60. So how many students are there in one group? So answer will be, there are 25 students in each group. So this is all about the word problem. 2 questions I have explained you. Now you can frame your own question. Ask your papa and mummy to make the question and you can solve by your own. Okay. Now we are switching to the estimation. Estimation means when we have to find out the nearby value, then in that case how we will divide it. Okay. Now 28 divided by 5. In this case what we have to do, this is the 2-digit number and this is the 1-digit number. Please remember, when it is 1-digit number we will not estimate it, we will only go for the estimation of the 2-digit number, means rounding of the 2-digit number or more than 2-digit number. So it is 2-digit number, it means nearest tens we have to go. Already we have read about the estimation in first chapter, addition, subtraction, and the second multiplication also. Now this is the third one. So in this case, when we are going to round off this number, 28 is the nearest tens. So we will look for the ones place, and 8 is more than 5. So it will go to the 30. This will remain same. We will not change this number because it is having only 1 digit. So 30 divided by 5, answer is 6. Now in this case, the dividend is having 3 digit and divisor is having 2 digit. So it is not given, we have to round off nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. So same process we will repeat. Here it is 2 digit, we have estimated nearest tens. Here it is 3 digit, we will estimate nearest 100. So 457, when we are going to round off 457, 57 is more than 50. So it will go to 500 divided by, divisor is 24. This ones place is less than 5. So it will go to the 20 and we will divide this to 500 divided by 20. If we are not comfortable to divide it like this, we will make a rough column. And then 500, you know the table of 20. 20 2s are 40 minus, this is 10. Bring this 0 down. 25s are 100 minus, this is 0. So answer is 25. Clear? So first one, it is given 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So divisor is not going to be round off. Only dividend is going to be round off. Then 28, 8 is more than 5. It will go to 30 divided by 5. In this one, 457, 57 is more than 50, so it will go to the nearest 100, it will go move to 500, and this 24, 4 is less than 5, so it will come exactly same, once the tens place will not change, will be 20. Now 500 divided by 20, so if you are not knowing that how to divide it mentally, so we will go with the long division process. Clear? In case if you are not comfortable, if you can divide it mentally, no need to show this long division process. Now I taught you the division by the long process, dot method, grouping method, so many things. In that case, if you have to do it mentally, or we have very quick division, you can say. In this case, how we will do? We are going to use short division method. Short division method means if you are doing it long division method, you are making the column like this. Okay, you are writing dividend here 3504 and dividing it by 2. So divisor is under this bracket. Okay, and then we are writing the quotient above. In case of short division method, it is just opposite of that. We are just making a column like this. Okay, and then we will write the number 3504 and we will divide it from here. So here we are writing the quotient above, but in this case we will write the quotient down. Okay, this method is called short division method. Why I am telling you? Because in this case we have to just write down the quotient, then subtract it, and then we will get the number. And in this one, all the process we will do in the mind. We will not show any subtraction process. So this 3 and 2. 3 is more than 2, so we will go for 1 times 2 1 ja 2. Now 3 minus 2, what is left? 1. We will write down 1 here, small above. Now the number is 14. Okay, now we will go for 7 times, because 2 7 are 14 and 14 is less than 15. Now 15 minus 14, where we are subtracting? In the mind. So 15 minus 14, what is left? 1. So that 1 will be here. Okay, 10. Now 2 5s are 10. Nothing is left. There is no remainder. So what will be left? 4. 2 2s are 4. Just I am explaining with the long division method. 2 1 ja 2. I have subtracted. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this 1 I have written here above this number. Okay. So this subtraction process where we have done? We have done in the mind. So 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2. That 3 minus 2 we have done in the mind. So now bring this number down 15. So this 15 is here. This small one and this 5. This 15. So 2 7 ja 14. Okay, this above 7, the quotient which I am writing here above, that I am writing below here. Okay, now 15 to 2 7 are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. So 1 will be here above 0. Then we will bring this number down 0. So this is 10. This is also 10. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. We will bring this number down 4. So that's why I have not written 0 here, because it doesn't mean. So 4 is remained same. So 2 2s are 4 as it is this. You can see when we are doing this method, it will take lot of time. But when we are doing this method, it will be quick division. Okay. So now it is clear to you that whatever is remainder here, that I am writing above the number. Just like I am explaining with the second example. Now I will not show you the long division method because I told you what is this remainder. That only I have shown here. Okay. Now 5, 4, 4, 8 divided by 8. Now you know the table of 8. So given how many times it will go? 6. So how many times it will go? 6 times. 8 6 are 48. 54 minus 48, it will be 6. 6 will come here above this. 64. Now 8 8 ja 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. Now 8 1 ja 8. So this subtraction process I have done in the mind. Again I am repeating. 8 6 ja 48. 54 minus 48 is 6. Now 8 8 ja 64. Now 64 minus 64 is 0. What is left? 8 left. So 8 ones are 8. Clear? Okay. So now we are moving to the 8265 divided by 3. I hope with 2 examples it is clear to you. Now we are not going to solve in the long division method. Directly we will solve it in the short division method. So we will make a column like this and then write down 8, 2, 6, 5. Children, you are seeing that I am keeping little gap between the numbers. Okay. And then we will write down 3 here. Why I am keeping this gap? Because the remainder we have to write above this so that it will be easy for you. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. That 2 will be here, small one. Okay. 3 7s are 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. That will come here, 16. 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. It will be coming here, 15. Again 3 5s are 15. So now the remainder is 0. Okay. So this is clear to you where we are writing the remainder? Above this. This is clear? Now we are moving to the next question. 4 1 2 3 divided by 3. This is the different one. I am just showing you. Divided by 3. Now 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. We are writing here 1. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now 3 7s are 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. We are writing here 3 4s are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Now there is no number left. So where you will write that remainder? So that remainder we will make an arrow and we will write down here. Clear to you? So till now whatever the remainder we were writing above the number. You can see here above the number. But the last one there is no number left. So where we will write the remainder? We will write down near. So now solve these 2 questions by your own. Now solve these 3 questions in your copy. First one, estimate the value of the following. 93 divided by 4. 93 divided by 4 and 298 divided by 3. These are 2 questions of estimation. The second one is the word problem. A total of 360 books are distributed between 30 students. How many books did each student get? Okay. Then third one is you have to use the short division method to divide this number. 2361 divided by 3 and 73,214. 73,214 divided by 7. These are the 3 questions you have to solve in this. Again I am repeating, please keep practicing. You can succeed after practicing. Okay. So regularly maximum half an hour spend with the maths. Take out the book, solve the questions and learn the table. Please every day revise the table and learn the table till how much? 20. Okay.